What's going on, guys? This is Anthony and welcome back to We Review. Today we'll be going over the Mast rotary pen tattoo machine in depth for you guys. So without any delay, let's hop right into the review. Okay guys, so let's start out with the tattoo machine itself. This is the box that the Mast tattoo machine comes in. You just pop it right open. You see you have your rotary pen here, as well as some extra little parts and pieces in this box that comes with it. Let's go ahead and open that up. So it comes with, as you can see here, it comes with another motor, some O-rings, a very small Allen wrench, some extra springs, just some things to replace and work on the motor, which is inside here and very easily accessible in case anything goes wrong with the motor. Set that aside here, and now we have the actual tattoo rotary machine. I'm going to unscrew this top part here. You can see the inside of the tattoo machine. We have our springs here, which is what the replacements would be for. We have our head here, which controls the actual needle, and our main engine here. So now that we have this screwed in again, you can see it's a very nice flat black finish. We have our power input here, which we'll plug in momentarily. We have here, this is where your needle cartridges are going to go into, set in and spin, and it's a pretty basic setup. The positive, huge upside of having a rotary pen as opposed to a coil machine is that the tuning is already done for you. There's very little tuning you have to do to this machine to get it to really work right and push ink like you want it to. It's a super affordable rotary pen compared to those on the market, and as far as I can tell after using it in multiple sessions, it is super duper reliable. It pushes ink consistently, it packs well with color, it packs lines well, and it's a very, very consistent machine. So let's go ahead and put one of the needle cartridges in and plug it into the power supply, and we'll talk about it a bit more. So to go over things with it plugged in, we're going to be using the kit provided power supply here, as well as the needle cartridges that come with the kit in case you're buying the kit. I won't be going into everything that the kit comes with today, but if you click on the link below, it'll take you to the kit on Amazon and you can go over everything that is included with the kit. Today, I'll just be going over the power supply, machine, and showing you an example with a cartridge, with a needle cartridge. So let's go ahead and plop the needle cartridge in there, which is very, very easy to do. Usually if you'd be tattooing, you'd of course be wrapping your machine and then putting the needle cartridge in, but today we're obviously not tattooing and we are just showing you the machine. So you put it in right here, you twist it, and you turn it into place, and it is locked into place, as you can see there. It's very sleek looking, feels great in your hand, and feels really, really great to tattoo with. So now if we just take the power supply, plug it into the machine, we are live with power, and we can use the pedal to now turn the machine on. As you can hear, it is a very, very quiet machine. One of the biggest things that I was a bit confused on with this machine when I bought it is whether or not the needle depth was adjustable. That was a very, very big concern with me, and something I couldn't find really any reviews on this machine is that it is indeed adjustable. So if we just rotate this here, you can see, if we pull it up really closely and get it to focus here, you can see that the needle here is in fact pulling in and out compared to how much we unscrew or screw this in. If you have it all the way screwed in, there's a good amount of needle sticking out, but unscrewed a little bit. As you can see here, with it focused, there's not much needle out, and it's very, very easily adjustable by just screwing and unscrewing this piece off. So in fact, the needle depth is adjustable, which is a very, very big plus to this machine. As far as I can tell, I read some reviews about it overheating and some things like that, but it has not overheated on me once after tattooing on false skin for up to an hour or two. It performs great. It performs great. It doesn't overheat. It doesn't get hot in your hand. You very rarely have to turn it off, let it cool down, or anything like that. I mean, as far as I can tell, it tattoos very, very well and very, very consistently. And for the price, it's almost unbeatable. Very, very easy to keep clean as well. You can wrap it. What I personally do to keep this clean is I take a finger condom, put it over the entire thing, wrap it with a machine wrap as well, and then it's very, very easy. You can just poke a little teeny tiny hole in your wrapping, put this in over it, and it creates a perfectly tight seal here, which means no ink or any infectants could get in on your machine at all. This is also closed. There's no opening from the inside of your cartridge up to the top of the machine, so there's no possible way for ink to be on the inside of here and get up into your machine, so it is completely closed. So just as long as you have this wrapped and you put this through your wrap, you'll have a perfectly tight seal along top here to keep your machine sanitary and separate away from your needle. So let's talk a little bit about the power supply here. The power supply that comes with the kit, if you'll be purchasing the kit, is completely adjustable here, as you can see, from a very high range to a very low range. Very easy to use, straightforward and simple. Not much to really go over here. As far as I could tell through all of my sittings with this machine, it has stayed very consistent. Very nice that it is a consistent selector instead of some showing you the voltage going up and down if you just touch it a little bit. It's very consistent. Each tick is another point. Very easy to use. Another really cool thing you can do is you can change it from toggle to hold with your power supply. So right now, it's just press, and you can toggle it by just pressing this little button in. Very nice feature to have if you want to just keep your rotary pen running. You can just have it on the toggle setting. With a rotary pen, you can keep it running and you won't have to worry about overheating or anything like that. But in case you don't want to keep it running, you just press that button, press this little switch down, and you're on push. So guys, that is about it. Those are the major key points that I wanted to go over. Once again, if you guys are interested in buying the kit, you can look in the description below and find all of the information what comes with the kit. It'll be enough to fully get you up and running. This right here is the best solution if you're on a budget and want to buy a tattoo machine, in my opinion. This is cheap, affordable, very, very reliable, a lot better than a lot of the coil machines that you guys are gonna find on Amazon. It's very, very reliable. It packs ink well, so if you're a beginner trying to learn on false skin, it's gonna be a great option. You won't have to learn how to tune your machine or anything like that. So if you guys are looking to get into tattooing and you're on a budget, this is the way to go, in my opinion. All right guys, so that's the review. Overall, great tattoo machine, great rotary pen, and a great investment if you're a new tattoo artist looking to get started with a rotary pen. Personally, I give this thing 5 out of 5 stars. I think it's great, and I personally have no complaints with the rotary pen itself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you're gonna go ahead and pick this up, make sure to use our links in the description to purchase either just the rotary pen or the kit, as it supports the channel and helps us provide you guys more honest content reviews. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for future videos, and make sure to check out our other videos for any other products you may be interested in. Peace out, guys.